Hi, I'm Alina and welcome to my craft favorites, where I share the tools and materials I actually use in my paper crafting projects. So today I wanted to share the double-sided foam tape I use for almost all of my projects. One of the most common questions I get from my followers is, what type of tape are you using? I use this tape between the layers of my cake toppers and paper cutouts to add dimensions and create a nice 3D effect. It cuts easily with scissors, sticks really well and holds the paper securely. I love that it comes in a roll, so I can cut exactly the length I need instead of using pre-cut squares. For my project, I like to use two size, 1/4 inch and smaller size, 1/8 inch. Another thing I like is that foam is white. It's a neutral color that works well with almost any project. For me, it's definitely essential materials. I have been using this tape for a long time, and it has become one of my favorite craft supplies. If you make layered projects, this tape is definitely worth checking out.